All right, so here's a look at this knife set. So this is gonna be a 13-piece set that's gonna come with 12 knives and 1 pair of scissors. So I'll show you the scissors first. I love the fact that these are basically all stainless steel and that they just have a little bit of rubber right there. I mean, it just shows how quality these actually are. They cut extremely well, and so do the rest of the blades. So let me go through some of the blades here to show you. So we've got a smaller blade right there. We've got this other flat blade, a bit of a medium size right there. Back up here on the top, we've got this blade, a bread knife that's going to be perforated. This blade here that has these little perforations on the inside. And then the largest blade, which is probably the one that we use the most. And again, I love the fact that these are all one piece. So you can see it just goes straight into the handle there, which is really going to help it last a lot longer than those ones that have like a wooden handle or where the blade is actually attached in something. Down here at the bottom, you've got your traditional steak knives down here that are slightly perforated. And again, you want to be really careful with this set because they are extremely sharp. So let me go ahead. We're going to cut some things up here and I'll show you how well they work. Let's use this flat edge blade right here. Now this is just going to be a strawberry, which isn't, you know, the strongest material, but let me just show you how easy this just slices right through it. Nice and easy, gives you a clean cut, and I'm barely putting any pressure. I'm just putting my finger on the top of it there, and it gives it a nice clean cut. Now on the side here, you are able to sharpen your blade up as well. Or if you needed to sharpen, you could actually just use this right here, and you're able to sharpen it. So I do like the fact that they include that here on the actual block itself instead of it being like a separate piece. That way you just don't lose it and you don't have another piece just hanging around. You just come right here and you're able to slice that. Now, like I said, the one that we use the most is going to be this large one right here. And now let's cut into something that's a little bit more difficult. So you can see we got this watermelon here. And of course the rind of a watermelon is going to be a lot more difficult to cut through. So let's give it a try with this. And you can see, nice, easy, clean cut through. I could basically just slice through this whole watermelon, nice and easy with just a few cuts. So really strong, dangerous. Don't cut yourself with these. They're high quality. It's such a nice set and we've been using it for a while. It's really impressed me compared to some of the other knife sets that we've got on Amazon. This is something that's really going to last for a while. And honestly, it just looks really good in your kitchen. You've got this matte black block that it comes with, and these are all stainless steel with a little bit of a black accent. So if you're looking for a really good knife set for your kitchen, something that looks great and works amazing, then I would definitely recommend picking this set up.